Okay, here we go again today. Welcome to the channel. This is Custom Rod Auto Repair. I'm here today to finish cleaning up and with the engine of a 93 Ford F-150 5.0 engine. Going to clean it up and put it in my 91 and pull the one in 91 out. I'm going to rebuild it eventually. And just want, if you like the video, you can like it if you would. If you want to subscribe, that'd be pretty cool. My name is Wes. Anyway, this is the motor. It's a, like I said, a 93 F-150 5.0. I've got Easy Elf oven cleaner on the back side over here to degrease it, and kind of it's easier than trying to use it like a degreaser. It works a lot better like you do in your oven. It gets all the grease off and what have you. Just so I can prep it and get it painted. We're going to paint it Chevy orange because up here in the North Country in New York, for some reason everybody wants the Ford blue, and there's none of them to be found. So Chevy orange was the only one I could find. So go ahead and get this sprayed down and get started on it. And we'll try not to get any water in the cylinders, which just looks like it's not going to work. So I can flip it over and drain it out. That's not a problem. That didn't work too good. My phone fell. I need a little bit more tape. Hold this up here because I don't have a connector for it for this tripod.